And hello, and welcome to a little tutorial on how to take a picture with your Chromebook. I found some students that were still having some trouble with this, so I just want to go through it step by step with you. If you go down on your Chromebook to the launcher, down here in the corner of the screen, and press that little circle button, your apps will come up when you load them up, okay? And what you want to do is try to find the camera icon, which it looks like a camera. So go ahead and click on that. Once you get that, you'll get a picture of, looks like myself here. So what you want to do is make sure you're on photo. You could also take a video. And you want to just make sure that you hold the paper up directly in front of the camera so that you get a nice, good shot. So if I can come over here and show you, I want to make sure that the whole thing's in the screen. If you want to maximize your screen so you can see it, that would be a great idea. But hold it up, make sure it gets the whole paper in there. And once the whole paper is shown, don't worry about your face, don't worry about anything else, we'll take care of that. Go ahead, press the button, and snap that photo. Once the picture has been taken, just like in your cell phone, you'll see a little icon over here where your picture is now. So you click on that, and up will pop the picture. And you got my face there and my hand, which probably don't want to send that in. So what you can do is come up to the pencil icon right here and edit this photo. So click on the pencil icon, and then down here gives you the ability to crop it. So if you press this, you can expand this to get rid of yourself, any other things that might be in the picture, and this will get it right down to size. There I go, and a couple of my fingers are going to have to be there. Just make sure you inspect the picture to make sure it's good quality. It can be seen. Very important that you do this in well-lit areas. Once you have the picture cropped how you want it, come over here and click Done, and then it will save the picture. If it was too dark, if you had some problem with lighting, you could come in and change the brightness. So you could brighten it up. Just make sure that you don't lose anything that you have. You could also change the contrast. And then just slide those sliders to the right or the left, depending on what you need. Go ahead and click Done, and you'll be all set. Before you actually finish up, you might want to come up to the top over here and change the name so that you can find it faster. Whatever practice assignment it may be, label it practice, hashtag, number sign really, and then whatever number it would be, okay? And then once that's saved, you'll be able to then go in and find this document and upload it into Canvas. If you have any questions, please let me know.